Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm base box for October. Yeah, we're behind because of those FabFitFun spoilers, but we want to see what's in here. I don't know, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the Boxycharm base box. If when you see it you have any interest in it, I will put all of the information below, but this is Spellbound, which makes sense for October. That's what that was. And ooh, I have no idea, even because I don't have my glasses on. I have two things from this brand. We do make choices with this, as we saw in the last box that I posted. I will never say, oh, well, I definitely didn't order that again because it all went amok in that one. We have on the back of this all of the products that I have. I will make a good and valid guess at what I think I chose, and then I will let you know below if I was right. Let's just dig right in because I'm intrigued by what those products are. Right off the top, let's look at this. It is the Tray-Luci. Nailed it. I'm going with Tray-Luci. Like an Artist 4-piece brush set. That is what that looks like. The paperwork says it has a $27 value. Pack on the pigment or blend as much as you need. Professional quality, vegan mixed texture fibers make it easy to perfect your ideal eye look. This set includes B100 Deluxe Blending, B101 Classic Blending, B102 Angled Blending, and B121 Rounded Pencil Brush. Oh, I love a pencil brush. And again, it has a $27 value. The reason I said, oh, I love a pencil brush is I have such small eyes that I find a pencil brush is the absolute best way to get under when I do under my eyes. I love a pencil brush for that job. Ooh, they're blue. Did I miss everybody's Boxycharm boxes in October? I have not seen these. I have to get out there and watch some of my girls, or nobody got this, because I have absolutely not seen these brushes. They are really, if they work, these are sizes that I love. Those are the brush tops. The handles are a little thick, but I kind of like that. I like something to hold on to. I hold it kind of like a pencil and blend, and I love that this has 3 blending. They do feel like they would be really nice. I cannot wait to try these. I love the blue. The blue is like a shocking royal, I like it a lot. This is what they called a pencil brush. I shouldn't say they called. I am not an MUA. I am the farthest thing from a makeup artist you're gonna find, but I have brushes. I don't have one here. I thought that the pencil brushes, this part tapered up to a finer point. What's the name of that brush when it tapers up to a finer point if it's not all the way around? Anyway, doesn't matter except to say I like these. I don't know about the brand. I've never heard about them, but I love that these are blue and I like the feel of them, so I'm ready to try them. Okay, next out of my box, I have a Kinder Beauty lip mask, hydrating lip mask. And that is what that looks like. And it says that it is a $20 value. And the paperwork says actually it's an overnight lip mask that helps repair, hydrate, and nurture the lips all day long. Enriched with avocado and evening primrose oil for supple lips, apply a generous, even layer onto clean, dry lips and leave on. I am not sad about a lip mask. I like lip masks. I use the Laneige usually, but I am happy to try something else when my Laneige runs out. This lip I just put on, I don't know. Spoiler alert, I don't know in what order I will put these up. Probably I've already put that one up. I will probably put it up first. This is the, get to the point, Catherine. This was in my GlossyBox, and it is a Josephine, and it is a red, and it is, I love it. It says it's a liquid lip, but it doesn't feel super tight. I wonder, yeah, I worried about that because it doesn't feel super tight on my lips. It says it's an all-day liquid lip that will last 10 hours, but did not pass that kiss test. Anyway, that was in my GlossyBox. I like it, don't get me wrong. That will not stop me from wearing it because I would rather have that happen than have on a liquid lip that gets so tight I don't want to wear it. Okay, that is what it looks like when we get the packaging off. It has very, very little to no scent, and it's just a clear little mask. So I will be trying this. Last thing I do before I go to sleep is I slather up my lips because when you wear a liquid lip and then when you have to work to get it off, you can really, my lips get sad sometimes. Next out of the box, we have something from Floss. I love the Floss brand. I think I've mostly had their lips, maybe one highlighter, but I do like the brand. And this is the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. See if it's a good color for me. That is what that looks like. And it says that it is a $22 value, a hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless beachy vibe. Formulated for convenience and ease of use, these weatherproof, no brush needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for all day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend out with the tips of your fingers. Oh, it's pretty. That is a really nice color for me. Oh my goodness, maybe I chose this. I don't know. Yeah, I might have chosen this one because those don't look like things I'd choose, she said right before she had to admit she chose them. That is a really, I would absolutely use that. That could be on my cheeks or my lips. That's a great color. That is what that looks like up. It's really true to its color. I like that a lot. Let's blend it out and see how it would do as a blush. It did really well. That's nice. Okay, next I have a Tarte C Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Oh, this sounds like something I would have picked. Did I pick it? It sounds like something I would have picked. I love an eye cream. This says Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream is a $35 value. Like an espresso shot for your under eyes, a vegan, skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. The weightless, water-based formula gives a lifted effect and is clinically proven to deliver 24-hour hydration. It helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and create a crease-resistant base. Yeah, this definitely sounds like something, and once it mentioned dark circles, I felt like, oh, if this was an option, it's what I chose. That is what it looks like. Oh, it's got a good seal on it. Take off the seal, and it's a nice, thick cream. I like that a lot. We have a little on here, so I'll use this to try it out. And that is what it looks like. Just a nice, soft, white cream. Oh, it's thick. I like that. Very little scent, mostly just kind of a lotion-y scent. No florals, nothing like that. Yeah, that's just very clean and nice. I will dive right into this. I have finished up my Dr. Brandt DNA, and I am using an alginist, but I don't know that it's doing anything for me, so I might skip the line and go right to this one. Okay, and last but not least, we have a, what do we decide on? Tray-Luce Beauty I Am Siempre Divina Set Shadow Palette. So it's possible I picked this too, but this name seems completely unfamiliar to me, so probably not. It is Blue Agave from Mexico, cruelty-free, a Latinx artist, and vegan-friendly. Oh, it says courtesy lash glue included. I thought it was going to be shadows, but it must be lashes. Oh, it's a bit of glue. So cute. Oh, it's a whole situation. Oh, this is kind of fun. I don't think I picked this, but yeah, look at this. This is, these are very wearable looking lashes. They look natural but longer. I like those a lot. When you cut them, let me know below. If you're not as wide as them, do you cut from the inside of this or from the outside? How about letting me know? And then we have this, which I'm going to assume is a palette. Oh, it is. Oh, it's very natural, but very, very pretty. That is what that looks like. So I would use that with a brush as my liner. We have an all over color for me. This one and these two are both matte. So I would probably use this one, this in transition, this as a little shine, and then this gold in my inner corner for a pop. And then that is my liner. So that's like all but one of the colors. I could even use that in transition if I wanted to. It's not too dark. So this is really nice. I hope that it works as good as, well, you know what? Let's go ahead and swatch it. If this is a brand you know, let me know below. But this entire production that we have here is a $27 value. What a bargain. So it is the Tray-Luce Beauty I Am Siempre Divina set, the complete eye set that includes everything you need for an eye-catching look. The palette features a combination of 6 matte and shimmer shades from the I Am Shadow palette in the perfect on-the-go travel size. The set also includes a pair of beautiful vegan reusable lashes that are complementary to every eye size. That just seems like a really good value to me for a palette, lashes, and a little bit of glue. They are nice. It feels really creamy. Oh, the black is a true black. These are the first 4, the top 3, and then this one. Wow. What great, I'm gonna show you this black. What great color payoff. Can you see that? That's just one, around and then one swipe. That trueness of that black speaks volumes to the quality of these shadows. That is so nice. Oh my goodness. I love this color. It's really kind of unique. I don't think I have that color in another palette. That is so pretty. We're trying these last two too. And these were working out in Light, Vibrant, Fuerte, and Amor. And we're getting ready to do Unstoppable, which is another shimmer, and then Resilience, which is our last matte. That's what those two look like. These are beautiful. Those are, the quality of the colors is just amazing. I like that a lot. I love, this was kind of the point of subscription boxes in the beginning, is we're trying a new brand, and I love trying a new brand that I don't know. And this one, we have a cute little palette and some eyelashes and a little glue to put the eyelashes on with for a $25 value. I mean, that's fantastic. So that is my base Boxycharm from back in October. I've opened a couple boxes here today, and I'm here to say I am on a roll. I am getting some good boxes. I am very happy about that. I'm so glad to be trying this brand. Now I have the shadow brushes and the shadows to try. It'll give me a chance to try the quality of both. The lip mask, always could use an overnight lip mask. Floss, love floss. And I'm pretty sure I chose that Tarte Under Eye Moisturizer. It sounds like what I would have chosen. Thank you so much for coming by. Let me know if you can remember back that far. How did you like your October box? Did you get any of these items? I don't know whether I missed everybody's box or not everybody got these items, but I love this. So let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.